Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be solving another SQL problem. We'll be working with a join for this subset of problems. So if you're not familiar with SQL join, just go take a look at how you can understand the concept of joining in SQL. And for me, the easiest way to understand different type of joins is using Venn diagram like this. Or you can check out any other website that you think will help you understand the concept of joins better. So let's get started. In this problem, 1378, replace employee ID with a unique identifier. We are given two tables. Table employees and employee uni. Table employees, we have two columns, ID and name. ID is the primary key of this table. For table employee uni, there are also two columns, ID and unique ID. ID and unique ID, the combination of these two columns make the primary key. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, just show null. So this is where the join should be used. It is used to combine rows from two or more tables together. In this case, we are joining these two tables together based on a related column between them, and the related column between these two tables is column ID. Let's take a look at the example. Employees table has these IDs and employee uni table has these IDs. So the related column between these two tables is ID. So if you see here, for ID number 3, it belongs to Jonathan. So Jonathan has a unique ID, which is 1. For ID number 11, it belongs to Mayor. He has a unique ID, number 2. For ID 90, which belongs to Winston, he has a unique ID, number 3. So if I were to join two tables, so this is table A. So table A would be the employee table. Table B will be the employee uni. So if I use inner join, so this is the inner join, I will get all the value that are in both tables. But the task here is to print, so if a user does not have a unique ID, for the unique ID will show null. In that case, we'll be using left join because we want to keep everyone in employees table. If there's a match to employee uni table, we'll see a unique ID. But if you don't see a match, if there's no match, it should just read null. So we are going to use left join in this case. And the output should print unique ID and name. So let's select unique ID name from employees table. As I explained earlier, we are going to use left join with employee uni, and we call it uni. So we are joining these two tables based on ID column. So it's gonna be on e.id equal to uni.id. Let's run it and see what the result looks like. Yes, so the output, we should see the name of all the employees in employees table and the unique ID that are in employee uni. And Alice and Bob, they don't have unique ID in the unique employee uni table. Their unique IDs are null. So let's submit this. And we passed all the test cases. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.